What's up, guys? This is Connor. Welcome to Three Pedal Devils. This is episode 7 of our Life as an Engineering Student vlog series. Today we're going to be replacing a control switch on an '08 Pontiac Grand Prix, and I think Beau's coming over here shortly to do some detailing work on his Volkswagen TDI that he's pretty close to repairing from when he got it completely totaled. And then later tonight we're going to go to our buddy Jacob Carlson's concert. He's part of a band called Cities Never Sleep, and they're on a Midwest tour right now, and they're swinging through Madison this weekend, so we're going to head to that.
Hey guys, I'm Santiago. I was Connor's exchange student 6 years ago. We're going to change this light switch on my Pontiac Grand Prix '08 because it's pretty much turning the high beams on automatically, and I already got a warning from it, so we're going to do that and hopefully sell the car for enough to pay for insurance for 6 months for my newer car.
So Santi's got the negative lead on the battery pulled off already, just since we're working close to the airbag to install this new control switch. We don't want the airbag to blow up and make this pretty face look not so pretty anymore. Yeah, Santi's from Colombia, and he stayed with me 6 years ago, like he said. He's back in the States now, been getting his undergraduate degree here in Wisconsin, and then he's also staying on for master's degree in
athletic training. It's a 2-year degree, and I'm gonna be a GA as well, so it's gonna be quite a lot of work, but it'll definitely be worth it.
Santi's got the trim for the center console with the radio and climate control stuff pulled off so that he could get at a screw that was down here. There's a panel that we pulled off. There were basically 3 screws, one over here, one over that way, and then there was one on the side here. We took those out, and then the panel is right here. That just popped right out, so we got that out. We got this fuse panel pulled off the side that just had these clips. Now we're working on getting the rest of these pieces off so we can split this shell here and get at that switch that we're replacing. All right, so we are popping this. Oh, it disappeared. All around me are familiar faces.
All around me are familiar faces.
So we put some trim tools on the side here and kind of popped the different clamshell pieces apart. Got the sides popped, and then I put that one that just disappeared in the front here and kind of pried up against the wheel to push it back that way and out of the seat. That's kind of, now it looks like it should just come right out. So that's the top piece out. That's the tool. That's somebody coming to rob us. So we're probably gonna die. Yeah, now we got these parts all off. They're here. Why isn't he bringing it in?
I don't know.
So we got the old one taken out.
There's one.
Where's the old one?
Over there.
We got the old one taken out. There were a bunch of these garbage connectors. There's a tab right here that you kind of had to pry up over this little
Knob.
yeah, over the
Whatever.
knob on the connector, and then they just kind of pull right out. What do we got here, bud? Does that say balls on it?
Diesel. It's the diesel joint.
Wow. Got her all washed up, bringing her in for the interior detail. Use the Braille method. Hit it, new bumper. No, maybe not.
It's not working.
This guy just finished up replacing that switch.
Not true.
Looks mint. We tested it out and everything worked good. Got all the panels back on. That was kind of a pain in the ass, but I just walked away and we'll let Santi do it. She's all ready to roll now, so he can sell this piece and then get his 2016 Audi TT Quattro convertible, all white, brown quilted leather seats. Watch out, ladies. This guy's coming for you. Dude, why are there so many scratches on this hood?
Winter's not my thing, and I was too lazy to take the snow off with like a regular thing, so I just used a shovel to take the snow.
So you're telling me you took a shovel and shoveled your hood?
Pretty much.
That's sick. See you, guy. Thanks for using us for the auto services.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just
How much do I owe you?
$0. Ripping that jewel, baby. It's going in, brother. Holy see you, guy. Yeah, he's got a few exhaust leaks, I think. Beau's out here detailing his car. A little dirty. So I sold my motorcycle a couple days ago.
I got Versace all on my back. These girls all on my back. Plus these all on my back. Cause they know I'm bringing it.
Man, the
It's all on my face. And it's
God, what are you doing?
enough so. Cause hey, I'm about it. Me walking around with no check.
Beau's still over there grinding away, detailing the TDI. Amanda's finishing up detailing whatever the heck this thing is. But I got a mess over here to clean up where my motorcycle was. I made a huge mess in my dad's garage pulling it out of storage. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up, and we're gonna head to a place in Madison called the Crucible. Now we are at the Crucible in Madison, about to watch Cities Never Sleep band kill it inside. Put a couple clips. If you like what you're about to hear, I'll put a link to their Spotify down below. They're pretty dope, so go check them out.
There was so much to see. I remember sneaking out the window, tearing through the neighborhood and hitting up our favorite spot to make us. The world was just so big to us. We never did what we were told. We lived our lives like we would. Can we take back all those years we have wasted? Growing up, missing what we left behind. We were so proud. This time we're taking bets on who can make it to the finish without leaving in a bloody mess. Let's take this back to the place where we lost it, and let's figure out how we get it back again. So show me your stuff, kid. Show me what you got. So where will you be when your walls are burning down and there's no place left to sleep but in the fire? We're never staying too long. We're making our own way home. Keep it up and we're so close. No one can stop us now.
So I broke my guitar already. Not serious, but you know, we pulled a little nipple off there.
I'm sick and tired of all of this cleaning up. Sew me up now, sew me up now. When it's over and there's nothing left to say, be forgiving, but you cut me up this way. Well, keep your goals close to my heart, and I'll always be remembering when I felt your love. Gotta say something, get this off my chest. I'm scared as hell to be a no one. Can't give up without a fight. And every day I try to get so far. Take a shot from the world from a loaded gun. I never felt so fucking beaten down. We'll give 'em hell, kid. Aim high, swing low, swing hard. Let's make some battle scars. Show 'em what it's like to be black and blue. Mixing blood and sweat to repair your wounds. I feel more alive right now when I'm lying. One foot in the grave, way down in the pool. Thank you guys for putting up with our shenanigans. Thank you for out there, Scott.
Play on Mr. Meeseeks! What's up? We just made it back from the show. We're all decked out in our Cities Never Sleep gear. Got the nice forest back there.
Yeah.
I'm probably talking super loud because my ears are blown out, but it was a pretty sick show. If you liked anything that you heard in the videos that I just played,
Mr. Meeseeks.
they did not play Mr. Meeseeks, but that song's fire, so go check out their Spotify. We'll have the link in the description below. They're pretty epic, so go check them out. They're still on tour, so if you're not around Madison, you might be able to catch the end of it. But thanks for watching today's vlog, and I was going to say something, but no.
And you.
I'm going to end it. Yeah. Rock on.
See ya.
Yeah.
I'm Mr. Meeseeks, look at me. I'm Mr. Meeseeks, history. To make a request, the Meeseeks fulfills a request, and then it stops existing. I'm Mr. Meeseeks, look at me.